This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Dakajing temu ban Kyntiew yaki samla ki bala sya hikai pentebet haki kam than jan ke bala penyat daga Meghalaya State Skills Development Society MSSDS lingba ke Skills Meghalaya project haka khat laitrik jeleu arja arpusan ke Community Institute of Technology CIT kala penlong ya ke skilled Atiar fashion show hadorbar hall kam indoor stadium mission compound Shillong. Hakani ka sngi ki bawan sakani ka fashion show ki lala ban yoi ya ka sap ka phong ki samla ki bala sya hikai pentebet na ka tega project ki ba kentop ya ka jing tebet penwandur ni design ka jing try shitam bat ka jing Sdang ka lenti ya jongki. Nalor kini kalau dan ru ke jing pelat website ke Selampuli ke CIT deka kong Audrey Konglam Skill Development Officer MSSDS har ringkat ke jihadon lang uba Arif Mukim Fashion Designer uba long kumuk kongsan bat uba L Lanong Director ke CIT bat kiwe de. Haba ajing kran ke kong Audrey kala kentui ki samla bakin minat hakani ka kam kabala penlong ru yaki banlong kum ki model na ki jan bagila suhi.
Trainees naman balay ya kajing la ka jongki ban pendep ya ka training ka balai spa sampo kenta mo de ka training ka ba ka MSSDS ka ai limba ka fun limba ka CIT ka datang mai spa sampo kenta but PUE mentan ya ka tu ka outcome jong ka training ka ba ki khna ki pendep hadu ka tu hilala man su ya ki jan ki jongki ki pendep ya ka tailoring henry Haka juk kapur kela anang ruban design yaki jahan ki jongki. Dengan tharai ki deserve banyo ay kajing hapti kaba jam hadu kata namartang hapdeng benai tam lai benai duna la ban design ban yang haransan kutu kendai shoot tang ki ban design jahan ki basu jahan ki lade ki model ini ki don ru ya kamera kata baik tenang ba la ban showcase ya ka jahan ki jongki. Big round of applause. Dia kajing wan kajongki kajing peni jongki yang kata ka sab ka talent kan long rukum kajing an museum ya kiwe don lang hamni le se pila long pade kita kinong ra ktien sya kiwe ki pun samla ban ong ba pet hadu kat ni kila la ban pentebet elade halor ka kam ka baki kila trang bat ki kwa ban persu elade kata ka kam ke baki la pendep ya ke training mo ke vision ke jongpi ka lomba pideban penyar ya kan ka talan ke jongpi pen I ka ki sap ki pom ke jongpi shaki way pede ki ri ba shaki way pede ka jela bat kum ta ter one step at a time menta si kum ngong ipi gade tang ka platform ka baning kong let's say nang ne shakman but I ba pinglong kita ki ambassador na ka banta ki wai pat ki khon samla let's say ki ba don ne gane ka jo ka sap ka phong mo ki bang patip shapang gane ka training pila bat one shakman ban shim ni ki lat ki kabo ba ka sarkar Meghalaya ka don ban aish ki khon samla hoi namle tang halor ka fashion designing ni bon ni ki training ki prepare halor ki jatkam ki prepare tenga kwa ipi iwe ba pin ra e gani ka kubor shaki khon samla ka jela ka jongi ba ka government ka don ni ka lat ka linti na ka benta ki khon samla ba pin wan shakman ban shim ni ki training haki jatkam ki prepare kat kum ka sap ka phong ka ba ublay la ip khnang ba kan nong ka jing bentoy na ka benta jong phi kini ki opportunities kamre tang na benta ki khon samla ki ba le se mo ki ba tang hasot la ni tang hanong kendong re kalong na ka benta baro ki khon samla ki ba kwa pan yeng hala ki jong ki kijak la kalong ha ka self employment na kalong ha ka wage employment re ka government of Meghalaya lingba ka MSSDS but lingba ka skills Meghalaya ka play ka ni kalat ka linti ban khot ban ya wer ki khon samla ba pinwan sha khamat ban shim ni ki trainings ki ba prepare khnang ba phila ban le e ha ka jin em ka jong phi
for all the times that you in my parade and all the cups you got and using my name you think you broke my heart, oh God, for goodness sake you think I'm crying, oh my, will I hate and I didn't want to write a song cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care you don't, but you still hit my phone up baby, I'll be moving on and I think you should be something I don't want to hold back maybe you should know that my mama don't like you, she likes everyone and I never like to admit that I was wrong I've been so caught up in my job didn't see what's going on but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own cause I feel like the way you look that much oh baby you should go and love yourself and if you think that I'm still holding on to something you should go and love yourself
Uba Arif, ulakran ya ki Kyntiew pira bagi samla kim dei ban be than ya ka Pisa haba kin Sdang ya ki no ki kam jongki hendrai ki deban chwa ya ka kam bat ban minot top ban pentpet ya la di ha ka kam khnang bakin poi sha ki Kyrdan jong ka nam
Angin long kawe, kawai baro shirta, men sinta da jing men shisha, piwan shang shang ha jing em jong a, kum kusem tuling punrong, piai KaBa, banjai na pi galing ang kwa, jai na pi galing ang kwa, banjai na pi galing ang kwa. Give it up for Shillong Mail. sirai ko kendet uhap shaliu kharai plerlut bitman baro plerlut kitman baro plerlut bitman baro nakta ngiyang hangi menta ngiyang long kuchi para iwaching nang tista mana yuki aila oi kiu Yuan kasi IT ban bet ya lalihi andangi ya grandpa ya long kumshi baka oi kiu ni ai kumle ya pi nong hi kai ba i chong hi jing nang ji sta pura pi la ai hangi mta oi kiu
Give it up for Buddy Lamkonjo. Give it up for Fidelity Nongklau. Give it up for Judy Nari Kyrwoh. Give it up for Pida Shisha Suro. Last but not the least, give it up for Augusta Nongklau.
I feel that fashion is more than just clothing. Okay, now comes the tough part for me. I need to read it. Fashion is more than just clothing. It's a statement, a mirror of culture, a spark of rebellion, a story without words, and those who craft these stories, they walk a road filled with creativity, yes, but also late night, countless rejection, endless revision. Trust me, it's not going to be easy to all the designers. And I hope the designers backstage are listening. When you come to this industry, you see a lot. What you see is just the cream. But what you go through inside, nobody else will understand except a person who sits behind a sewing machine. People might think that fashion designing is all about glitz and glamour. But trust me, guys, once you keep on going on, there'll be a time where you will not sleep, at least for 2 days. I've been there before, and I know what you guys are going through. And during my time, there's no institute like this. The only institute we have was a super expensive institute which costs at least 6 to 7 lakh a degree, which is too much for most of us. And you guys having an institute like this and having teachers who've been teaching you. And when I went backstage, I met your teacher. I was like, I'm amazed with what you guys can do. Because when I started, I had no clue how to fix a zip on a dress. The journey was tough, but trust me, it was worth it. And I know you guys will enjoy doing what you love. And it is so important to love what you do. Let me give you a small piece of advice. Don't run after money right now. Do what you love. Enhance your skills. Make sure your garment look perfect. And marry a mannequin for a few years. and that will take you a long way. Thank you so much for having me here. And I also want to share this. When I saw one contestant walking on stage, I was almost in tears. You know why? I'm not going to name her, because she was my mate once upon a time. She's always told me that she wants to learn stitching. Probably they couldn't send her to school anymore. And now she's within this institute and made a very wearable outfit which will be sold in the market, which can be sold in the market. And honestly, I'm so proud of her. I know who you are. I'm not going to name her, but honestly, I am so happy to see you here on stage. And I can't wait for you to start making dresses, making wedding dress, and to see your name on Instagram saying that I have made this and I have made that. Thank you so much.
Haba Tien, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bate ye kamet. Namar kata, haba thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.